Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and today I want to tell you a little bit about our feature in Do It Yourself magazine. So if you've been following along for quite a while, you might remember last May, so basically 1 year ago, it was right after my husband quit his job. Actually, it was the first week that he was home, which made a very, very interesting transition. Better Homes and Gardens, Meredith Publications, sent to our home a stylist and a photographer for 3 days. My husband had just quit his job, and I still, at that time, I talked a little bit about this on this channel, but kind of wasn't 100% confident yet. We had made a pretty big leap into this world of where my blog would support our family full time. And so I felt like I needed to hit the ground running. I had all of these content ideas. Now that he was home, I was gonna write my first course, work on my book, and I just had all of these things that I needed to work on and felt like, okay, he's home, I gotta get some stuff done. But pause, because we had a 3-day photo shoot, which was super intense. I shared all about that on this channel. I did a video where I actually caught a lot of behind the scenes footage of the styling and the photography and basically explained all about that process. You all, if you haven't watched that video, would not believe how much goes into a little 10-page, or I haven't really counted, but it's about 10-page spread in one of these magazines. Now this is just a Better Homes and Gardens special interest publication, the Do It Yourself. It's not the main Better Homes and Gardens. So even for a not little, but not as huge magazine like this, the amount of work that goes into each and every photo is mind-blowing. You want to see more about that process, just head on over to the video. I'll link it in the cards and down below. You can catch some behind the scenes footage of these photos that came to be in this magazine. So this is the summer 2019 edition of Do It Yourself magazine. The focus of this publication is basically on projects, obviously, that homeowners did themselves. So the angle of the story is basically just showing how Luke and I transformed our last home, because this is obviously based not on this farmhouse, but on the one that we sold in January, taking you through each room and showing the projects that we did. So it shows a before shot of the exterior of our home, and then lists all the ways that we transformed it, our bedroom, our bathroom, our kitchen. When they were here, we actually got a few shots as well of the kids' rooms. So this whole story is going to be in more than one magazine. So when they came out and took all these photos, some of the photos will go in another publication, which I will share on here whenever that happens. Pretty sure the story's done, and I think it's coming out later this year as well. I know it has to be sometime in the summer because all the photos were focused on it being summer. Whenever they came a year ago, obviously things were green, there were lots of flowers. That's gonna be in another magazine. I wanted to jump on here and just show you a little bit more about this because I've had so many people message me who remembered that photo shoot last year and wondered, are you guys actually gonna be in a magazine? When is it coming out? So apparently, and I figured this, they plan really far ahead. So for example, anything that's gonna be coming out this Christmas in all of their magazines has already been shot last Christmas when they had access to fresh greenery, when it was snowing. I'm assuming some things are probably shot not at the Christmas season, but as far as taking any outdoor photos, it'd pretty much have to be taken a year in advance, so that way they can capture, you know, the seasons in the appropriate time. So ours was shot last year. I'm gonna take you a little bit inside. I don't want to spoil it, so that, you know, if any of you want to get a copy of this, I don't want to completely spoil the story. We are just happy to have a copy of this just because we sold our house in January. Whenever we actually did this story, we knew that we were looking for a farmhouse because we've been looking for about 5 years, but we had no idea that whenever it actually came out, we would be moved already. That was not in the plans. We found this place, and obviously a lot can change in a year. Micah is tiny, sitting on our front porch in this because you know, it was a year ago. So they just walk you through our mudroom, our front porch area, the landscaping, a lot of the DIY projects. So it talks about the bench Luke and I made, all of the blankets and pillows that I sewed, the built-ins we put in, slip covers I made, the coffee table, the table and chairs. Pretty much reminds me just how much work we did over the 10 years that we lived in our last home. It's not a quick process. We definitely just took on projects little by little and transformed it. They walk you through our kitchen, dining room, bathroom, and bedroom. Now at the time, we had not finished the other bathroom, which I ended up showing the full reveal on here. We completely gutted and redid that bathroom, but at the time it was just the same old bathroom as we had bought it. So if you have never seen the before photos of our home, I do have a post where I share the photos that I have. Now, I was not a blogger back then, and so I just basically have one shot of each room before we moved any of our stuff in, showing the colors, because the colors of our old home were absolutely crazy. It's total fixer-upper, super cheap. I've talked about that a lot. So if you want to see some more before photos, because they don't really have them all in this magazine, my shots were just not good enough to put in here, except for the front porch area. I will link in the description below the post where I have some of the before photos. But yeah, that's our old house. Somebody else lives there now, and so that makes the story even more unique to us. We will treasure this magazine to forever see how our home looked before we sold it, and this special feature. Now, I will get back on here and share when it goes in the other magazine as well. The magazine company sent us 3 copies, actually. I'm gonna keep 2 because in case we lose one. But I wanna send one of them to one of the commenters. So if you leave a comment on this video, I'm gonna randomly select one of you, and I will respond and get your email so I can mail you a copy of this, because we don't really need 3. So I want to send one to one of you as well. Now, if you want to check out the whole magazine feature and read our story, it's kind of fun to see it because you saw all the behind the scenes a year ago, and then now here it is. You can find it, I'm pretty sure they sell do-it-yourself everywhere. I mean, I think it's at all grocery stores, Walmart, Target, I think. So you could probably find one in your area and have a copy as well of our old house before we sold it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living in a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.